Huawei Matebook E review. The Huawei Matebook E is a 2-in-1 hybrid laptop with a sleek, lightweight design, a stunning full-view display, and enough of power for daily chores and light gaming. The Matebook E also comes with a pen and a fingerprint scanner for enhanced protection. The Matebook E is equipped with an Intel Core i5 CPU and 8GB of RAM, making it suitable for everyday operations like online surfing, document editing, and video streaming. The 256GB SSD gives plenty of storage capacity for all of your programs and information. The Matebook E's 13-inch full-view display is amazing, with a resolution of 2160 by 1440 and a 3:2 aspect ratio. The display is bright and colorful with remarkable color accuracy. The tablet has a contemporary, sleek appearance thanks to the small bezels. There are 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and a headphone jack on the Matebook E. The Matebook E also supports wireless charging, and you can charge your phone using the trackpad on the laptop. The Matebook E's battery life is adequate, lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge.